Hey guys, so we're in Millport and we're going to be doing some bike hire, and that's my bike.
That's just my apologies.
So we come to Millport to pedal and it's fucking raining. So now we're soaked, but we're still doing it because we're here. There's no point going home. Look, Amy's on her bike there. She says she's freezing. She's pedaling in the rain. I'll get my camera out in a bit. It's raining, so I don't want to get too wet. So we'll see you later. Bye. Sorry.
Oh, he's down there. Where's he going? Keegan, where are you going? Get up here.
Absolutely gorgeous. I'll stop here. HMS Shearwater 1844 memorial to two young seamen. It's a nice ride, guys. Really nice island. Peaceful, hardly anyone around. It's a good way. Absolutely fucking beautiful. It literally stopped me. The view stopped me, made me get off my bike. It's gorgeous. Look at that view. Let's carry on catching. So you just come down this road. There's a beautiful bar halfway around called Fintry Bay. Gorgeous. Hey guys, so it's Milky. As you already know my name already, you guys, I tell every video. So we're just at this new place called the Fintry Bay, Millport. Got a cool little bus up, unfortunately, so I'm guessing that's like a smoker's thing. We've got some outdoor seating. We've also got some hammocks over there. We'll go get a hammock. Amy, get in the middle of that thing.
They don't have ice. They don't have ice. Go like sea swing in it. So just put in.
Hey guys, so we're in the hammocks now. We're just chilling. Got a 7-Up. Who's that? Who's that in the camera there? Who's that? Preston, say hi. Say hi. My name's Preston. Oh, he's rolled up in it like a cocoon. Here with his mum. Keegan. Just chilling, guys. Just chilling in the sun. And just relax. It's gonna be a good day. Still got to pedal back yet, but I'm not thinking about that like right now, lying in my hammock, because that's a daunting thing to do. But then we're going to get the ferry back over to the mainland and hang around. So yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying the vlog. We're about halfway done, so see you soon. The Wedge, the world's narrowest house. There's a QR code to your wall. So that's the door, and then I'm going to look up and you'll see the paint of how thin it is. I'd have to go in there sideways.
Damien would fit in it though.
No, lanky piece of piss.
That must be gone.
Just put your bags to the side, start getting them dressed to swim. People would think you were crazy, wouldn't they?
We're on the gate now.
Okay guys, so we're back on the caravan site now. I've got like 7% battery or something, but yeah, it's been a great day driving around on the bikes around Millport. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog travel video. If you enjoy this kind of content and you're finding this kind of stuff interesting and new, then please leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more awesome travel videos like this, and yeah, just random content from the Rye Milky. Guys, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.